What happens when BMW takes everything it has learned from decades of performance engineering and creates a machine designed to sit above the legendary M5, M8, and every other performance luxury sedan? The answer could be the 2027 BMW M9, a car built for buyers who want supercar performance, executive-level luxury, and everyday usability in one package. But here's the real question. Does this ultimate BMW actually justify its expected premium price? Or is it simply an expensive dream machine? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the 2027 BMW M9, analyzing its design, performance, technology, comfort, ownership experience, running costs, and whether this high-performance luxury vehicle is truly worth buying. The first impression of the BMW M9 is all about presence. BMW has created a design that combines aggression with elegance. The wide stance, aerodynamic bodywork, large air intakes, sharp LED lighting, and muscular proportions give it the appearance of a serious performance machine. Unlike traditional luxury cars that focus only on elegance, the M9 looks like it is ready for the track while still fitting perfectly outside a luxury hotel or business center. Inside, the M9 delivers the premium environment expected from BMW's flagship performance lineup. The cabin combines high-quality materials, advanced digital displays, carbon fiber accents, premium leather, and a driver-focused layout. The seats are designed to provide both comfort during long journeys and support during aggressive driving. BMW's latest infotainment technology brings a large curved display, advanced navigation, smartphone connectivity, voice control, and an upgraded premium sound system. The technology feels modern and sophisticated, although some buyers may find BMW's digital systems slightly complicated compared with simpler luxury competitors. Passenger comfort is another important factor. The front seats provide excellent space and adjustability, while rear passengers receive a comfortable environment, suitable for business travel or family use. However, because the M9 focuses heavily on performance, rear seat space may not match the comfort levels of vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class or BMW 7 Series. Cargo capacity should be practical enough for daily use, but this is still a performance-focused vehicle. Rather than a family hauler, performance is where the BMW M9 is expected to become truly special. With advanced engineering, a powerful electrified powertrain, and intelligent all-wheel drive technology, the M9 could deliver explosive acceleration while maintaining everyday drivability. BMW's goal has always been to create vehicles that feel connected to the driver, and the M9 continues that philosophy with precise steering, adaptive suspension, and powerful braking performance. The driving experience is likely to be one of the strongest reasons to buy this car. Whether cruising on the highway or attacking corners on a mountain road, the M9 aims to provide the perfect balance between comfort and excitement. Unlike some competitors that feel isolated, BMW focuses on creating an emotional connection between the driver and the machine. Fuel economy, however, will not be its strongest area. Even with hybrid technology, a vehicle producing this level of performance will require significant fuel. Owners should expect higher fuel expenses. Compared with regular luxury sedans, let's be real, owning a BMW M9 will require a serious budget. Insurance costs will likely be high because of the vehicle's performance and repair expenses. Premium tires could cost several $1,000s over time, and scheduled maintenance will be more expensive than a standard BMW model. Long-term ownership costs can increase significantly if major performance components require replacement. Depreciation is another factor, because ultra-luxury performance cars often lose value quickly after the first few years. Now let's talk about price. The BMW M9 is expected to sit at the very top of BMW's lineup, potentially competing with vehicles like the Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door, Porsche Panamera Turbo, Aston Martin Rapide-style luxury performance cars, and high-performance versions of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. At this level, buyers are not just paying for transportation, they are paying for engineering, exclusivity, and emotional appeal. The pros are clear. The BMW M9 offers incredible performance, advanced technology, luxury comfort, and a driving experience that few vehicles can match. It represents the ultimate expression of BMW's performance philosophy. The cons are equally important. The price will be extremely high, running costs will be expensive, fuel economy will be limited, and some competitors may offer a more luxurious rear seat experience. So should you buy it? The BMW M9 makes sense for enthusiasts who want one vehicle that can deliver supercar-level excitement while still being comfortable enough for everyday driving. It is ideal for drivers who value performance, technology, and exclusivity. However, Buyers who prioritize maximum comfort, lower ownership costs, or a softer luxury experience may be better served by a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, Porsche Panamera, or another premium competitor. The final verdict is that the 2027 BMW M9 could become one of the most exciting luxury performance cars on the market. It will not be the most practical choice, and it will not be cheap to own. But for buyers who want a rare combination of speed, luxury, and driving emotion, it could be worth every dollar. This is not a car designed for everyone. It is designed for people who believe driving should still feel special. Subscribe for more automotive analysis. Because we don't just review cars, we break down whether they actually make sense to buy.